I definitely felt the G's coming out of the pits. And, woo, this is fast, but after a while, like 2 or 3 laps, I was okay already. And you know, I'm happy with the return. I didn't feel at all could be flat after 5 or 6 laps, so I'm very happy with what I've accomplished today. Yeah, now I'm gonna have a practice at the end of the day. Must be cooler, should be cooler. Let's see if we can compare a little bit what we're gonna have during the night. At least the team has some data from last year. The race was the same time, so we have some data from last year, and let's work to get a little bit better.